Hello guys, welcome to TechSolve YouTube tutorial. Today's video will show you how to view your YouTube comment history on Chrome. Open up the Chrome browser in your PC. The search tab above here, you type in youtube.com or www.youtube.com. You press the enter key to open it up. Once the YouTube page is opened on your PC, you click on the history at the left hand side of the screen. At the right hand side of the screen, you select comments. Now, you can see all of your comments on YouTube. So, these are all of your comments on YouTube. So, that is how you view your comment history on YouTube using the Chrome browser. That's all for the video, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video.